Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today in this session, I'm going to explain you all about Terraform and Docker Part 1. In part 2 also I will release after this. So watch until the end to get a better understanding on what is what. If you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. Now the table of contents, blocks and resources in Terraform. We are going to discuss in this session Terraform block and creating provider block and resource provider block. What is a provider block? All of this we are going to discuss in this section. So, Terraform needs to be told which provider to be used in the automation. Hence, we need to give the provider name with source and version. For Docker, we can use this block of node in our main.tf. So, main.tf is the main Terraform file. .tf is the Terraform extension that we use. So, first task is creating provider block and resources. Provider is what provider we are using. So, required providers we are using the Docker that equal to, and the source is this and the version is this. So, we are creating a Terraform scripts with blocks and resources. So, when you go to this directory and see this docker-terraform.tf, which is the main.tf. This will be the file that we are created, and now Terraform needs to be told which provider to be used in the automation. Hence, we need to give the provider name with source and version. Here we gave source as this and version as this. So which tells the repository from which the code needs to be pulled and its version. So no, this is just a shorthand for this path, and the provider block is Docker. So the provider block configures the specified provider. In this case is Docker. If you are using AWS cloud resources, then the provider will be AWS. A provider is a plugin that uses Terraform to create and manage resources. So, okay, we have now declared the provider also. Now the resource. Use resource block to define components of your infra. A source might be physical or virtual components such as Docker container, or it can be logical resource such as the Heroku application. So resource blocks have two strings before the block, the resource type and the resource name. In this example, the first resource type is Docker image and the name is Nginx. So the next part I will continue after this session because this is just a part 1. So please do watch the part 2 also for the entire understanding on what I am going to explain. Thanks for watching. If you want to go through this blog, you can check this from the description box. Thanks for watching.